The Rollator Walker Red-1 is a versatile mobility aid that features an innovative 3-second quick folding design for easy storage and transportation. Constructed from ultralight aluminum alloy, this walker is both strong and lightweight, capable of supporting up to 330 pounds while weighing only 15 pounds. Its ergonomic design includes a comfortable seat cushion and a thickened backrest, with adjustable handle heights ranging from 31 to 38 inches to suit various users. The Rollator is equipped with 4 8-inch locking swivel wheels, providing excellent maneuverability across different terrains, and features a gentle braking system for added safety. With a one-step folding mechanism and no assembly required, this walker offers convenience and ease of use, making it ideal for travel and daily errands. Additionally, thoughtful details such as a cane holder and a spacious storage bag enhance the user experience, while the removable seat offers extra comfort during breaks.